guys, my name is Teacher Anne and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to begin my language tutorial by teaching you some helpful idiomatic expressions that native English speakers use in their day-to-day conversations. But before that, I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. So thank you very much. Guys, let's begin our language tutorial. Idioms are expressions that bear special meaning. So for ESL speakers like you and me, it's highly recommendable that we use these expressions in our day-to-day conversations for us to develop our fluency. So today, I prepared 5 idiomatic expressions that you can practice at home or anywhere, whenever you have time to converse with people around you at your own pace. So good luck! Number 1, hit the books. So this means to study. Instead of using the phrase to study every time you make a sentence or every time you say that you cannot attend an event, you can just say hit the books. So for example, sorry but I can't go to the party with you tonight. I have to hit the books because I have a huge exam tomorrow. So that pretty sounds like a native speaker, right? Moving on, let's have number 2. Sit tight. It doesn't mean you need to squeeze your body in a tight way. What it means is to be patient. So for example, you ask, do you have any idea when the exam results are going to come out? And then you just say, because you have no idea, oh, I'm sorry, I don't have any idea. Let's just sit tight and wait. Gets pretty exciting now, right? Let's have number 3. Ring a bell. It doesn't mean you'll go to your school and ring the bell in school. No. It just means that you've heard of something in the past and you remember that something being shared to you or spoken to you about. For example, you've met my friend Alice, right? And then you're not sure. So you'll just say, I'm not sure, but that name rings a bell. Was she the one I met at the party last month? So there's the idea that this person was mentioned to you by your friend and the name rings a bell. So that's how to use it. Are you having fun, guys? That's good. Now let's have number 4, on the ball. It doesn't mean you're sitting on the ball. It just means that you're very quick to understand certain things. So for example, wow, you've already finished your assignments? You're really on the ball. I wish I could be more organized. So you see here, somebody is quite envious of you because you learn things easily. So you're always on the ball. Last but not least, to pony up. It means to pay for something or settle a debt. So for example, pony up and give me the money you owe me. So this is for someone who owed you cash or who is indebted to you and you want to have the money back. So you can just say pony up. It's time to wrap up our lesson, guys. We learned 5 idioms today. Number 1, hit the books. That means to study. Number 2, sit tight, to be patient. Number 3, ring a bell. Something sounds familiar to you. Number 4, on the ball, it means you're quick to understand certain things. And finally, number 5, to pony up. It means to settle a debt. So I hope you will be practicing these 5 idioms on a daily basis so that you will be able to develop your fluency in speaking the English language and become native-like speakers someday. So hope to catch up with you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So God bless everyone. Bye for now.